Hi, do you have an account in GoHighLevel or one of the white labeled versions of, and you are finding that every time somebody sends you either an Instagram DM or a Facebook Messenger DM, it is actually adding them to contacts in your list? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually switch that off. But before we start, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful hints and tips. Okay, so you're going to want to come into your GoHighLevel or white labeled versions account, and you're going to come down the side to settings and to integrations. Then you're going to come over to Facebook and Instagram, and you are going to go to settings. From there, Facebook Messenger on this account doesn't have it turned on. If you go to Instagram Messenger, you will see that it says sync Instagram DM messages for all accounts. Turn that off and then click close. And that will turn off them adding anybody who sends you a DM as a contact. I hope that helped. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more hints and tips.